In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Trello boards. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to project management tools, this tutorial will walk you through the basics of getting your Trello workspace in order. To start, we'll first need to navigate to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com to bring up the home page. Trello is an excellent tool for capturing ideas, organizing tasks, and tackling to-dos from virtually anywhere. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right hand corner where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an Atlassian account, sign in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create one to proceed further. Remember to safeguard your login details for future reference. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. This is your home base for all things Trello and where you'll find all the boards you have access to. Within your workspace, search for the My Trello board section. Clicking here will take you into a more detailed view of your projects or tasks that you're working on. Now focus on the board you've selected. Each board is divided into cards representing different tasks or ideas. Click on any card that you wish to work with. This will open up the card's detailed view, which provides more information about the task and various options to manage it. Next, let's add a pop of color and organization by using labels. Labels are useful for categorizing tasks to make it easy to scan the board and quickly locate the specific tasks you want to focus on. Still inside the card, you will see a labels option, usually located on the right hand side. Click on it. This will allow you to assign different category names and colors to your task. If you don't see the right label for what you're organizing, you can easily create a new one. Inside the labels section, look for the option to create a new label, then go ahead and select it. A prompt will appear asking you to name your label and choose a color that best reflects the category you're adding. Commit that change by clicking the Save or Create button. Organizing your Trello board with labels is a fantastic way to visually streamline projects and help team members understand tasks at a glance. That concludes our step-by-step guide on organizing Trello boards. With these tips, your Trello workspace will not only be more functional but also a more enjoyable place to manage your projects. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.